A pleasant day to everyone. I am Rhea Jean M. Pabilar. Together with Miss Irene Ecott, we will be discussing a short contemporary story entitled Brokeback Mountain that was written by Annie Proulx. But before that, we will be having a game which is very familiar na gid sa atoa kay common na kaayong ginadula. The Four Peaks, One Word. Next. And I think there is no need for me to explain the instruction kay kabalo naman jud tanan ani. You just have to guess the word based on the given pictures. Through the game horizontal line, the last person who will stand up when I call their line will be the one who will guess the word. And since we cannot implement this kind of activity online, we will be having this on our face-to-face class. Next. Now, the story Brokeback Mountain is a story that explores the themes of love, identity, and societal expectations. A story about the complex and forbidden romance between two cowboys. So, however, let me first give you an overview of our learning objectives before we get into the actual discussion. By the end of this lesson, the students will be able to analyze the central themes of love, identity, and societal norms in Brokeback Mountain and their relevance in contemporary literature. Second, it expressed empathy by exploring the emotional and psychological challenges faced by the characters, considering their struggles within the context of societal norms. Lastly, it reflects on the novella's legacy and how it continues to resonate with readers and critics in the context of ongoing social changes. So, Annie Proulx, an American novelist, short story writer, and journalist. She has written most frequently as Annie Proulx, but has also used the names E. Annie Proulx and E. F. Proulx. She was born on August 22, 1935 in the Norwich, Connecticut, known for her richly detailed prose and deep exploration of human emotions. Proulx's work often delves into the lives of people living in rural and isolated settings. And Proulx's writing is characterized by its strong sense of place and intricate storytelling, making her a prominent voice in contemporary literature. Next. Overview and background. Title of the book, Brokeback Mountain. The author is Annie Proulx. First published, The New Yorker, 1997. Included in Close Range, Wyoming Stories, 1999. And the location of the story is American West, primarily Brokeback Mountain, Wyoming. Time period of this story is early 1960s to early 1980s. Brokeback Mountain characters. So, dili na kayo nako basahon ang naada sa screen since it is already visible naman sa inyo, ha? So, the main characters of this story is Ennis Delmar and Jack Twist. Murag opposite ni sila no kay si Jack is adventurous, energetic, outgoing, and dreams of a different future. While Ennis is more reserved and grounded, shaped by a tough upbringing and a deep sense of responsibility. He is practical, cautious, and deeply affected by societal norms and personal fears. Both men are complex, with their differing personalities shaping their intense but troubled relationship. So, other characters, Joe Aguirre, lahang amo dito sa mountain, Alma Beers, ang wife ni Ennis, and their two child, Alma Jr. and Francine. Lastly, Lorraine, ang wife pod ni Jack. So, let's move to the summary of the story. Brokeback Mountain is a bittersweet story. Because during those time, kay dili pa jud accepted sa society ang same-sex relationship. Unlike karon nga, naay ubang countries ato nga nagakuan na legal na sa ilaha ang same-sex marriage. So, Ennis Delmar and Jack Twist are two poor boys on small ranches in Wyoming around the time of the Second World War. Ennis' parents died when he was young, so his older brother and sister raised him. Both boys dropped out of school in order to work, And they met on the summer of 1963 when they're still teenagers. Both of them are still teenagers. Their boss, Joe Aguirre, a cold man who doesn't think much of the two boys when he meets them. Ines is assigned deep far out in the wilderness to watch the sheep at night. So dito niya gi-assign si Jack sa sheep niya dito sa mga sheep niya dito apo niya ginapatulog even though against jud to sa balaod nila dito sa sa mountain. Jack has worked at the mountain before. Nakatrabaho na daan si Jack. Ang reason why nag-stop si Jack is need niya nagtrabaho siya sa iyahang rancho sa iyahang papa. So, he gives Ines advice about working there. The two boys get to work, occasionally noticing each other across the natural beauty of the mountain. As the summer wears on, they get to know each other well, exchanging stories about their families and backgrounds. So, nagkasuod sila, no? Samtang nagstay sila dito sa mountain. And one time, Jack complains that he hates being so far away from the main camp and Ines offers to switch roles with him. So, nagkambyo sila, kaya nagreklamo man si Jack na di siya ganahan dito, nga layo sa main camp. Nagkambyo sila, si Ines ang natulog dito kauban sa mga sheep and si Jack ang natulog dito sa main camp. One night, after Ines and Jack have been up late drinking and talking, Jack declares that it's too late for Ines to go back out to the sheep, and that Ines should stay with him. So, nagsabot sila nga doon na lang matulog si Ines kay gabi na kaayo. Soon they begin to have sex, an encounter that neither of them speak about but implicitly know will repeat itself through the rest of the summer. In the wilderness and solitude of the mountains, Ines and Jack feel free and alone in their intimacy. However, Joe Aguirre watches them have sex through binoculars and threats Jack coldly when he delivers the news that his uncle is dying. So there is a hailstorm and the sheep from the Brokeback herd get mixed up with another. Ines is unable to accurately pick them apart. The summer finishes and Jack and Ines go their separate ways. Ines to marry Alma Beers and Jack back home to Lightning Flat. When they say goodbye, Ines feels sick to his stomach. So before day nag-abot sila diri sa summer camp sa Brokeback Mountain no kay kanang engage na daan si Ines kay Alma. Nya pagkahuman after 4 years nagmeet og balik si Jack and Ines. After atong incident sa summer, Ines marries Alma and she quickly becomes pregnant, giving birth to a daughter they name Alma Jr. Ines works a series of low-paying ranch jobs. He enjoys their itinerant lifestyle, but Alma hates it. 4 years after the summer of 1963, Ines receives a postcard from Jack, saying he'll be in town. When the man reunite, they kiss passionately, which Alma sees. Nakita ni Alma tong pagkiss ni Ines og ni Jack. They spent a few days together in a motel room, where they admit how much they had missed each other, and resolve to see each other more often. Jack wants them to get a ranch together, but Ines thinks it would be too conspicuous. He tells Jack about Earl and Rich, two ranchers who live together near Ines when he was young. Earl was beaten to death with a tire iron and mutilated. Ines' father made sure Ines saw the corpse, and Ines surmised that his father had something to do with the death. So kato nga incident to nga nakita niya ang corpse ni Earl kay murag na trauma siya ato, murag maupod to ang nagapakuan sa iya nga nagapugong sa iha para ipaglaban ang relationship nilang duha ni Jack. As the years wears on, Jack and Ines continue to steal time to see one another, under the guise of fishing trips. Alma and Ines have another child and they name Francine, but their marriage eventually falls apart and Alma gets remarried to the local grocer. Ines attends Thanksgiving at her new home with the grocer, where Alma accuses him of of having relationship with Jack. Inez disbands violently and doesn't see his children for many years after that. Inez continues to work low-paying itinerant ranch jobs. Jack marries Lorraine, a wealthy woman whose father runs a farm machinery business. They continue to see each other over the years and their desire does not wane. Even as their bodies age, in 1983 they spent several days together at a lake. Jack expresses his frustration that they didn't see each other more often. Inez replies that he has work responsibilities and need to pay child support. He is still scared about their physical safety when they are together. They leave things unresolved. So, several months later, ay, pila ka months sila wala nag-istorya din. Several months later, Inez sends postcards to Jack about arranging their next meeting. It is returned with the notice deceased. Jack calls Lorraine, who tells Inez that Jack died with a tire exploded while he was changing. He was changing the tire. Inez assumes that there is more to the story than this, and that Jack likely died in a manner of similar to it. Though reported jud na accident jud ang nangyari, pero ang gina-assume ni Inez is gipatay si, naay foul play ato nga death, gipatay si Jack. Tungod atong trauma niya, atong nakita niya atong bata pa siya. Inez visit Jack's family and asked to scatter Jack's ashes on the Brokeback Mountain. Like Lorraine mentioned, he had wanted. Jack's father is cruel to him and refuses, insinuating that he knows Jack and Inez were lovers. In Jack's room, Inez finds a shirt that Jack wore on the mountain and nested inside it. One of his own shirts that had gone missing. He takes them home with him and hangs them on the wall of his trailer alongside a postcard of Brokeback Mountain. He resigns himself to dreaming about what could have been between the two of them and continues to live his life on the fingers of society. Jack dies under mysterious circumstance, then gi-spend ni Inis iyahang life wondering if unsa ka ni tabo sa ila if gipaglaban niya ang gugma nilang duha ni Jack. So this will be the end of my part. Now I am giving the spotlight to Miss Irene Ecott.
Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Rhea Jane Fagalor. So once again, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Irene Ikat. So in the continuation of this report, I am now going to discuss the moral of the story, symbols, and the importance in contemporary literature. So moral of the story. Brokeback Mountain tells a story about two men who love each other but can't be open about it because people would judge them. This makes them very sad and hurt them deeply. The story shows that it's important to be true to yourself and love who you love, even if it's hard. It teaches us that hiding our feelings can lead to a lot of pain. So, kuan jud siya no, sakit jud siya for Ines kay wala jud niya gipaglaban ang ilang gugma ni Jack. Okay, so let's move forward to the symbols. Brokeback Mountain is a special place for Ines and Jack. It's where they can be themselves and love each other without worrying about what others think. The mountain is beautiful and peaceful, and it's a place where their love can grow. So, mao na siya tong Wyoming Mountain. Even after they leave the mountain, it stays in their minds as a symbol of what their love could be if they were free from judgment and fear. It's a reminder of the happy times they shared and a hope for what their future could be. So another mountain symbols, Brokeback Mountain symbols. In Brokeback Mountain, so let's move forward to the tire irons symbols. In Brokeback Mountains, tire irons are used as weapons to hurt people who are gay. So, ginagamit niya siya para masakitan ang mga gay. When a man named Earl is killed with a tar iron, it scares Ines a lot. So, sama sa giingon ni Ma'am Rhea kaganina na kanang nahadlok jud pag-ayo si Ines, mao nung wala niya gipaglaban ang ilang hinigugmaay ni Jack kay nakita niya to si Earl nga gipatay kay tungod pod sa kanang kuan same sex relationship. Okay, so Ines thinks that Jack might have also been killed with a tar iron, even though it's said to be an accident. The story shows that Ines and is always afraid of being hurt because he is gay. Even a simple thing like a spoon can remind him of a tar iron and make him feel scared. This shows how dangerous it can be for a gay people in a world that doesn't accept them. Okay, so let's move forward to importance in contemporary literature. Brokeback, Brokeback Mountain is a very important story because it talks about two men who love each other in a way that wasn't accepted by many people at that time. So wala dai kayo ay naga-exist na ang same sex relationship before pero dili kay siya accepted parehas karon. It helped to show that love is love, no matter who you are. The story also talks about how hard it can be for people to live a life that is different from what everyone else expects. It shows that hiding your true feelings can be very painful. Because of this, Brokeback Mountain is so important today. It reminds us that everyone deserves to be loved and accepted, no matter who they are. Okay, so that's conclude my part. So now let's proceed the assignment. Okay, answer the questions below and write them on a 1/2 sheet of paper. 5 points each. Okay, so
Overall, the story is about forbidden love of a two cowboys, which si Jack nga gusto ipaglaban nilang love, and si Nis na puno og kahadlok tungod pod sa trauma nga nagian niya sa iyang past. So that concludes our report, the story of Brokeback Mountain. Thank you everyone for listening.